This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Entroflora Suspension is a probiotic solution that helps restore gut health. It contains Bacillus Clausii, which is essential for maintaining a healthy balance of intestinal bacteria. Indications and uses. This probiotic suspension is indicated for managing alterations in the intestinal bacterial flora due to various conditions such as chronic diarrhea, intestinal infections, lowered immunity, chronic gastrointestinal disorders, and the use of antibiotics. It helps in re-establishing the balance of good bacteria in the gut, promoting digestive health and overall well-being. How it works. Bacillus Clausii spores in the suspension survive gastric acid and reach the intestines, where they become active cells that contribute to restoring the intestinal microbial flora. Directions for use. Entroflora suspension should be taken as directed by a physician. Before using, shake the bottle well. It can be taken directly or diluted in water, milk, or other beverages. Once opened, it is important to use the suspension promptly to avoid contamination. The appropriate dose and duration of treatment will be determined by the healthcare provider based on individual age, body weight, and specific health conditions. Possible side effects. Possible side effects may include allergic reactions such as rashes, urticaria, and swelling under the skin. If any unusual symptoms occur, it is important to consult a healthcare professional. Precautions and warnings. Before starting treatment, inform your doctor if you have bacteremia, septicemia, or sepsis, especially if you are immunocompromised or hospitalized. It should be used during pregnancy and breastfeeding only if clearly necessary and under medical advice. Ensure to discuss any other medications you are taking to avoid interactions. FAQs. 1. What is Entroflora suspension used for? It is used to manage alterations in the intestinal bacterial flora due to conditions like chronic diarrhea and antibiotic use. 2. How should it be taken? Take it as advised by your physician, either directly or mixed with beverages. 3. Can it be used in children? Yes, but only for a shorter duration and with pediatric guidance. 4. What if I forget a dose? Take it as soon as you remember, but skip it if it's almost time for the next dose. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Your health matters, and we're here to help.